Properly diagnosing and resolving a customer's tire vibration issue can be difficult and time-consuming. We give you tips for finding the source of a vibration next. Customers often see tires as the source of any vibration issue felt in the steering wheel, driver's seat, or brake pedal. But in reality, a vibration can come from a variety of parts and malfunctions. So it's up to your shop to track down the source and fix it. We have 3 tips for you to do just that. Number 1, ask the customer where the vibration is coming from. Vibrations in the steering wheel often indicate an issue in the front wheels or tires. A vibration in a seat is frequently related to rear tires and wheels. Vibrations in the pedal are usually related to warped rotors. Number 2, test drive the customer's vehicle and try to reproduce the issues they're experiencing. This can be helpful if the customer is struggling to describe the issue in detail. Number 3, look at the wheels first, then the tires, then the alignment, and then the suspension, in that order. Tires and wheels are often the culprit for many vibration issues. Starting there will also rule out or fix simple issues before moving into larger and more expensive repairs. Other areas that may produce vibration include the engine, flywheel, torque converter, drive shaft, CV joints, and differentials, among other parts. I'm Maddie Winer, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.